Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to explain you about the concept of multiplexer as a universal logic. We had a discussion on the same topic in my last video, but in today's video, I will give you a very short and unique trick so that if you follow the same trick, you will remember this concept forever. As you know, digital electronics is all about realization techniques. So if you know the realization techniques, you can become a good designer. For example, how we can use adder itself as to behave like a subtractor and comparator. Of course we can, right? And why do we need to do this? Because we need to follow some primary constraints. And what are primary constraints? Area, speed, power requirement, and cost. So if we do some realization to make something like this, then area of the chip will reduce, speed of the circuit will increase because less number of hardwares are required. Of course, power requirement will be less and the cost of the circuit will reduce. Okay, so let's move towards the topic. The topic is multiplexer as a universal logic, and we are following the truth table to do this, right? So if you know the truth table, you can make any digital circuits, because as you know, the truth table is a hard of modeling any digital circuits or digital design. Okay, so we are following the truth table and we are mapping this truth table. Already I have drawn a logic diagram and truth table here in order to save our time. So let's take a simple example, NOT gate. How multiplexer can be used as a NOT gate. This is what the truth table of NOT gate. A input and Y is output, which is nothing but the A bar. So if the input is 0, output is equal to bar of that 1. If input is 1, output is 0. Okay, so simply bar of input, and just we need to map this K-map to input with the input of multiplexer. Just connect this A as a select line and just map this 1 0 to here. This become a NOT gate. If you want to cross check this, just take this A bar into 1 plus this A into 0, A into 0, and this becomes 0. This is nothing but NOT gate, right? Similarly, if you want to model AND gate, and this is what the truth table of AND gate, A B input, Y is equal to A into B. Any one input is 0, output will be 0. Okay, so both inputs are 1, then only output is equal to 1. And we need to map this truth table with the multiplexer. Just take this MSB bit, this A is MSB and B is LSB here. Just take this MSB bit A and connect here at select line, right? And forget about this A now. Now just see this B and Y. We need to map somehow this B and Y here, right? So we need to make a pair, because 4 inputs are here, right? 4 outputs are here. We want 2 only. 2 inputs are here at multiplex. So make a pair like something like this and compare this Y with A. Here Y is equal to 0. If we compare Y with B, so this becomes 0. And compare this Y with B here, which is nothing but Y is equal to B, 0 1 0 1. Okay, so connect B, and this is what AND gate. If you want to cross check this A bar into 0 plus AB, which is nothing but AB, right? This is what as expected. Now take NAND gate as a homework and try to solve this. Now similarly, if we want to model AND gate, The simple truth table is A, B inputs, Y is equal to A plus B. So any one input is 1, output is equal to 1. Okay. Now similarly connect this A MSB bit here and map this truth table with input. We need to make a pair like this. Okay. This is what 0. Okay. Now compare this Y and B. So Y is equal to B here. Okay. And Y is equal to 1 here. Same check, same as we have checked for AND gate, and you can cross check this. Now take NOR gate as a homework. Similarly, if you want to model XOR gate, then this is what the truth table A, B, Y is equal to A XOR B. If A is equal to B, output will be 0. A is equal to B, output is equal to 0. If A is not equal to B, then output is equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, connect this A as select line MSB bit. Now we need to somehow manage this Y and B, right? So make a pair and compare Y with B. So see, you are getting Y is equal to B here. Okay. Now here 0 1 1 0, which is nothing but Y is equal to B bar. And for getting B bar, just we need to connect one NOT gate. So one NOT gate, connect B here, 1 0, and at this output we will get B bar. This is what very simple XOR gate. Similarly, try this XNOR gate as a homework, which is also very simple. So this was a technique all about multiplexer as a universal logic. This is what very simple and unique technique. If you follow this technique, I am sure you will remember this concept forever. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.